Hello everyone, this is M.Revathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today our class students will do the group discussion. So the topic is data privacy. Who is responsible for companies or users? In today's digital age, data privacy is a hot topic. With regulation like GDPR and India's DPDA, the question arises, who is responsible for protecting personal data? So like companies, in companies data controller or processor, or users, data subjects. Let's discuss this topic in our class. Thank you. Good morning students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you ready for this discussion?
Ma'am.
Today the topic is data privacy. Who is responsible? Companies or users? Okay. So let's start with this.
Good morning to all. I'd like to start this TV with the opening statement. So, company privacy is not only on one side. It is a responsibility of companies and users. So, company will collect, store and data process. They must safeguard it. So, users generate and share data. So, what they want to leave it.
So I'll share my points on companies' role. Companies have the primary duty to protect data. They must implement the strong encryption and secure storage. For example, GDPR lies companies for negligence, showing accountability lies
Yes, I agree on point. I'm going to talk about the user role. Users just can't blame companies, even their act is responsible. And they often share their data on social media and skip privacy policies. For example, having weak password and clicking into unwanted links also is also responsible for sharing the data.
In my point of view, law like GDPR and CCPA and India's DPDA Act also responsibility for companies. But regulation expect the user to exercise digital literacy and consent wisely. So, the responsibility is balanced by you.
I am here to share about technology angle. So companies must build privacy by design. Features like encryption and minimal data collection will help. And users must update their apps regularly and avoid risky downloads. Thank you.
I'm Surya. Now I am tell about ethical viewpoint. Companies should not exploit user data for profit. At the same time, personal data should not uses for profit. Example, personal info should not share for anyone. Thank you.
I'm Sneha. Let me share a point on business impact. For companies, data breaches mean loss of trust and money. For example, Facebook Cambridge analytical scandal damaged reputation. For users, careless behavior can lead to financial theft and loss. Thank you.
So, I agree with Pooja's point, what she said. Confusions of responsibilities. Sometimes users are confused who is leading the data. It is the most problem because sometimes companies can leak small data can cause huge impact to the users, and users sometimes also click the link or sharing the photos can leak their in their data privacy. So it is a confusion responsibilities, I think.
Cloud stores the privacy data of the user. To maintain privacy, the company and the user should have a good relationship, and cloud is used for storing multiple numbers of data in it. Thank you.
So, by concluding this session, we discussed about the data privacy which is faced by the users and companies. So, everyone gave their points and their point of view. So, we discussed about the company's legal perspective, technological angle, and the data, how it is stored, whether it is in the servers or cloud-based storage. So by concluding this session, like the users and companies should have the healthy relationship. Then only we can establish the data privacy. For example, while giving a passwords or the usernames, everybody will be giving the usernames and the password that will be stored in the cloud or servers. So we confidentially give our privacy to the companies. We blindly believe that the company will store the passwords and usernames safely. So for that confidentiality, we should be able to trust the company. So this is where the GD depends. So for concluding, this is the amount of time we spent and discussed. Thank you.